A rock is launched vertically upwards from the surface of the Earth, and an identical rock is launched vertically upwards from the surface of Mars. Each rock is launched with an initial velocity of 12 meters per second. Each rock then reaches its maximum height above the surface before returning back down to the surface. The velocity time graph for each rock is shown. In both cases, air resistance is negligible. So here is the velocity time graph, and he is asking what is the difference in the maximum heights of the two rocks. Alright everyone, so कुछ basic concepts को revise कर लेते हैं. So I hope everyone remember. Vertically upward launch करते हो with some initial velocity u, तो maximum height पर पहुंचकर इसकी final velocity 0 हो जाती है. And when it returns back to the surface, so its velocity increases. And just before touching the surface, its velocity becomes maximum. और जैसे ये surface को hit करेगा, velocity फिर से 0 हो जाएगी. Alright, so maximum height पर final velocity 0 होगी. Okay, now let's analyze the graph and calculate the maximum heights for both rocks. Okay, so now we need to calculate the maximum height. So for this we have to analyze the velocity time graph, and I hope everyone remember that the area under velocity time graph gives us the distance or height. Right, so for Earth, let's calculate the maximum height. So Earth के लिए ये velocity time graph है, और maximum height पर velocity 0 होगी, तो यहाँ पर velocity 0 हो रही है. So it is the maximum height for Earth. Right, so हमें start से लेके यहाँ तक के ग्राफ का एरिया कैलकुलेट करना होगा. Right, so it's a triangle and the area of triangle can be calculated as half into base times height. Alright, so यहाँ पर base की value होगी, here the value is 1, so it is 1.2. So half base is 1.2 times height of triangle is 12. So if we multiply them, we will get 7.2 meters. Alright, so now let's calculate the maximum height at the surface of Mars. Right, so maximum height is half into base times height. Right, और maximum height पर velocity 0 होती है, यहाँ पर velocity 0 है. So it is maximum height for Mars. Alright, so now we have to calculate the area of this triangle. Right, so half, here base is, it is 3, so base is 3.2. So 3.2 times height is again 12. So if we multiply them, we will get 19.2 meters, right? But उसने question में difference पूछा in the maximum heights. Okay, so now let's calculate the difference. So 19.2 minus 7.2 is 12 meters, right? So therefore option A is correct answer.